Hey guys, let's see how to check the EuFy camera battery level. Here I have a PTZ camera and it's in my balcony with the solar panel. And let me just show you here that I still can get some sun in the solar panel. So basically it's here in a shadow area, but as you can see here in the balcony, okay, I can have some sun coming still and charging the solar panel. Okay, so have battery working there, and I can just come here to the settings in Power Manager and check the level of the battery just right here. Right now I have 64%, okay, and it's set up for optimal battery life, which is pretty good. And here I have solar dashboard with all the information about my solar panel and then the battery, right? So pretty good, pretty simple to check. And the camera doesn't need to be under direct sun because I have the camera in a shadow area here, and it still works pretty fine and charges the battery, right? So that's the way you can check the battery level on a EuFy camera. I hope this helps. Please subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up and your comments, and I see you in the next one.